Hello YouTubers and gig workers, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great time wherever you are. So today I'll be doing 4 hours of multi-apping. My first shift is going to be from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and then my second shift going to be from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. So it's going to be Uber Eats and DoorDash. So come along for the ride. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up. Watch the video to the end because I always do the breakdown how much I make per hour at the end. So let's set a goal. Let's set a goal of $90 for 4 hours. Okay, so let's go make some money. So the time is 10:59. Log into DoorDash. I have an Uber Eats for $3.46. I'm gonna decline that, taking no $3 order. So I have another order from DoorDash, 16 kilometers, $9.75. No thank you, no thank you DoorDash, I'm not gonna take that. I have an Uber order, $4.61. Damn, I hit my wheel on the curve. The note says leave it to the doorstep, but she was right at the door there, so I hand it to her. DoorDash, $10, 7.7 kilometers. Order from Sushi One and customers, 8 minutes away, 5.5 kilometers. Arrive at customer location, leave it at my door please. $6 base pay, customer tip $4, and the time is now 11:57 and I'm at $14. I have an order from DoorDash, 13 items, 12 kilometers, and customer tip 50 cents because it's $6.50 and the base pay is $6. Uber Eats, $5.85, 6.3 kilometers. I'll accept that. To arrive at Popeyes. Okay, pick up order from Popeyes. Customer is 5 minutes away, 3.6 kilometers, and he's in an apartment building. Arrive at the location. This customer says meet at the door. Deliver that order. So I had an order from Uber Eats, McDonald's. I didn't get to take a screenshot of it because the DoorDash order came in at the same time too. So I took the McDonald's one. Pick up that order from the McDonald's. Customer is 2 minutes away, 1.7 kilometers. So I have another order with Uber Eats, $6.41, 3.7 kilometers. Took a picture of it. Customer is really happy to get her meal. She's like, oh, thank you very much. I hope she left a good tip. Pick up that order. Customer is 7 minutes away. Took a picture there. Customer living like way up on the apartment building. So I'm just gonna end my shift now. It's 1:12 and I start at 11. I'm at $26 with Uber Eats, $10 with DoorDash. So I'm just gonna start my evening shift from 5 to 7 and we'll continue to see how it goes from there. So right now I'm at $36 with Uber Eats and DoorDash. Maybe there's a few more tips have to come in with Uber Eats. Hello YouTubers and gig workers, welcome back. So this is my evening shift from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. with DoorDash and Uber Eats. So right now I'm at $36.70 with Uber Eats and $10 with DoorDash. And my goal was $90 for 4 hours, so we're right at the halfway mark and hopefully we could achieve that. So stay tuned for the rest of the ride. Come along for the ride, make some money. Money. 4:59. I have a big digital clock on my phone there. DoorDash run in there, Uber Eats run in there. So I have an order from DoorDash, $6, 4.3 kilometers, 0 tip. I'll just accept it. Pick up the order. The time is 5:16. I waited like 10 minutes for the food. Customer is 9 minutes away. They had to go to the farm to get the chicken. So arrived for the customer. It's an apartment building. Okay, I delivered that order. I put food not ready. $6. Base pay, customer tip 0. That was a really bad order from the start. No tip. The restaurant take a long time, and it's an apartment building. It took me half an hour. That's it. I'm not taking no more order without tips. No more. And it's like $56 of worth of food. I have an order for $12.50 going 21 kilometers from DoorDash. Freaking nuts. Why you sending so ridiculous order? Like, that's so far. So I have an order with Ubereats. Oh my god. Popeyes pay $8. DoorDash sent me one for 20 kilometers, $16.75. Let's go pick the one up from Popeyes for Uber Eats. So pick up that order from Popeyes, and customers 10 minutes away. So all these long drives, jeez, sucks. Drop off customer order. So the time is 6:01 and I'm at $14. Really bad hour, a really ugly hour. So I have an order from DoorDash, 4.1 kilometers, $11. That's a nice order. Lovely. And Uber Eats coming the same time now. I have to decline the Uber Eats one. When you're waiting, there's no orders. I mean, one come in, then the second, the other one comes in. Pick up the order. Customer is 8 minutes away, and the time is 6:22. Way behind my target. Not gonna achieve that. Arrive at customer location, Motel 6. I didn't know there was a Motel 6. I know it's Motel 8 or Super 8. $6, customer tip $5. See, this customer order was $14 and she tipped $5. So the time is 6:55. I'm just gonna end my shift because it's really slow now. I'm just wasting my time sitting here on no orders. So right now I'm at $45.95 with Uber Eats. And I think there's one tip have to come in for Uber Eats. So I'll give you guys the final summary right now or in a second. Hello YouTubers and gig workers, welcome back, and this is a summary. I had 2 delivery with DoorDash. The first one was $6, customer tip $0. Second one was $11, base pay $6, customer tip $5. And I had 5 delivery with Uber Eats. $7.27, customer tip $2.66. $8.90, customer tip $3.65. This one was $12.12, customer tip $4.48. $8.41, customer tip $2. $11.20, customer tip $2.95. So between DoorDash and Uber Eats, the total was $64.90 minus $7 in gas, give us $57.90 divided by 4 hours, give you $14.47 an hour. $14.47 an hour. That's not great for multi-apping. I screwed up on the one order with no tip that took me half an hour. So live and learn. So hopefully the next time we could do better. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe, stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.